10 years ago, ginawa niyo ang unang-una niyong pelikula, Dear Heart.
Oo, 10 years, 81.
How old were you then, siya?
50.
During that time, I was 13.
Excuse me. Excuse me,
Ganun ba? 17.
Like you said, 15 years old ka and he was 17. Was it love at first sight?
No, on the contrary, when Dear Heart was first offered to me, they asked me who would you like to be your leading man. Ang sagot ko was anybody but Gabby Concepcion, which of course was not fair to him kasi I didn't know him at all.
Bakit ka ayaw mo si Gabby?
I had this, the one you hate will be your fate. No, because, kasi siguro mistiso, akala ko suplado, antipatiko, ganyan. When we finally got to meet and when we started getting to know each other, mabait pala si Gabby.
What was your first impression naman kay Sharon?
Well, actually, ganun din yun eh. Hindi naman talaga kami nag-uusap. Alam nyo kasi noon, hindi ako nakikinig sa mga radyo, hindi ako nanonood ng TV madalas. So, hindi ko siya kilala. Ang alam ko lang, she was going to do a movie with me. Ganun. Tapos nakita ko may mga kasama nga siyang naka-Mercedes pa to nung dumating eh. She was the only nag-uumpisa na naka-Mercedes na. So sabi ko, ano ba to? Napaka-hangin naman ito. Pa-Mercedes.
Nayabangan ka sa kanya.
Ngayon, well, siguro sa kanya, normal lang yun. Hindi naman niya kasalanan yun. Nakita ko siya, sabi ko, iniwasan ko siya. So sabi ko, hindi ako pwedeng sumabay sa mga taong ganito. So if we do this movie, tapos na yung ko lang yan. Medyo ilap pa nga ako sa kanya nun eh. Kaya siguro lumalabas na parang antipatiko ako sa kanya dahil hindi ko siya kinakausap talaga.
Hindi mo kinakausap dahil nailang ka? O ayaw mo lang siya kausapin talaga?
At saka ayaw din. Then naiilang ako. So during that time, hindi kami talaga nagkasundo. Hanggang nakapag-usap na kami sa set. And then, siya pala ang magiging future mother ni Casey.